Alright guys, what's going on? My name is Bryson. I'm with Global Machinery out of the Denver, Colorado location. Well, we are a new Morbark dealer. Had tons of questions. Realistically, what is better? Gas or diesel? Alright, here we are, walking up to them. So both of these are BVR 13s. BVR 13, BVR 13. This is a 4.6 or 4.3 liter, excuse me, V6 PSI engine, 133 horsepower, gas. There's our log, okay? This one, log, super comparable. Thanks for watching. Please look at the YouTube video. That'll have the full breakdown and all the visuals on the full video on the YouTube page, not on the YouTube shorts. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe.